everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use free 2D animation tools. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this kind of animation is pretty easy to make with the help of right tools. The first thing you gotta do is open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in perchance.org/pretty-ai. So in this page, you'll have to enter the description of the scene that you want, its art style and the shape of it. So you'll have to enter the data accordingly. After you've entered the data, tap on the Generate button. And here you'll get a list of options to choose from. Select one and download it. So in order to download this image, you'll have to tap and hold on the image that you want to download. Then tap on Download Image option. So after you've downloaded the background, you'll have to open next website in order to create your character, and that is Adobe Animate Your Voice. In the search bar, type in Adobe Animate Your Voice. Click on the first link that you see. Here you'll have to scroll down and tap on Start Now button. Here you'll get a bunch of characters to choose from. Select one according to your preference. Now tap on Background option. Scroll to the left hand side of your screen. Then tap on Custom Color option. Here you can select any one color according to your preference. We have to select a specific color in the background so that the green screen can be deleted easily and this character can be adjusted in the right way. Now tap on the Record button and record the script that you've prepared. After you're done, tap on the Share button. Then tap on Try Downloading link. And this video will be downloaded automatically. Now go back and open CapCut application. Tap on New Project option. Here add the background that you had created. Now in order to insert the character that you've just created, tap on Overlay option. Select the video. Then tap on Add option. Now in order to remove the green screen background, scroll to the left hand side of your screen. Then tap on Remove BG option. Again click on Chroma key option. Here place the circle in the green color. Then you'll have to increase the intensity. Then tap on the right sign icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can place and adjust the character according to your preference. And you can also extend the background to the point that you want. And after you're done, you can save the video. So as you can see that the animation video that I've just created is pretty good enough for the time and effort that I've put into it. And that is how you can easily use free 2D animation tools. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.